When you think about luxury travel, your mind probably drifts toward private jets, mega yachts, or penthouse suites. But imagine taking all of that elegance, power, and exclusivity and putting it on wheels. Welcome back to Luxury Wheels Review. And today we're diving deep into one of the most breathtaking creations of modern engineering, the Rolls Royce GrandCruiser, the motorhome that redefines what it means to take your world with you wherever you go. From the very first glance, the exterior of the GrandCruiser commands attention with a presence that is nothing short of majestic. The design stays true to Rolls-Royce's timeless DNA, an iconic towering front grille polished in chrome, framed by sleek LED headlamps that radiate authority on the road. The body is sculpted in glossy black chrome, reflecting light in waves across its futuristic contours. Its aerodynamic design isn't just for looks, it reduces drag, giving this colossal motorhome the grace of a sports car despite its massive size. The 6 precision-engineered alloy wheels anchor the vehicle with stability and elegance, while subtle light strips along the body hint at the technology within. Every inch of this exterior feels like a marriage between a luxury limousine and a superyacht, delivering an aura of power and prestige that is unmatched. Stepping inside the lounge, the atmosphere instantly shifts from powerful dominance to serene exclusivity. The GrandCruiser Lounge is a sanctuary of craftsmanship and intelligent design. The seating is upholstered in hand-stitched leather, enhanced with memory foam cushioning for ultimate comfort during long journeys. The seats aren't just seats, they are adaptable modules, capable of reclining, swiveling, and extending to form social seating arrangements or relaxation zones. The ambient lighting system, tucked discreetly into edges and contours, adjusts dynamically to set the mood, whether you want a calming evening glow or a vibrant social environment. Hidden within the sleek cabinetry are climate control systems that maintain perfect temperature at all times, as well as an advanced sound system custom-tuned for this space, enveloping passengers in crystal-clear audio. Technology flows naturally into this environment. Integrated touch panels allow for control of lighting, seating adjustments, and entertainment without disrupting the clean, minimalist aesthetic. This lounge isn't just about comfort, it's about redefining how luxury adapts to your personal lifestyle. Moving to the bedroom, the Rolls Royce GrandCruiser proves that rest and rejuvenation are as essential as luxury. The centerpiece is a compact yet beautifully designed bed, seamlessly integrated with the space to maintain efficiency without sacrificing elegance. The mattress is engineered with adaptive support layers, ensuring restful sleep even on the move. Above, subtle lighting creates a warm and calming aura, while side storage is designed with precision so you'll never feel cluttered. Integrated charging stations and smart outlets allow your devices to stay powered without cords disrupting the elegance of the room. Entertainment is discreetly built into the paneling, with a fold-away ultra-thin display that transforms the bedroom into a private theater when desired. Every material used in the bedroom reflects the same black chrome and leather combination found in the lounge, giving the interior a cohesive premium identity. The bedroom space demonstrates Rolls-Royce's ability to turn compact environments into havens of privacy and tranquility. The kitchen of the GrandCruiser carries forward this balance of compact design and refined function. At first glance, it's strikingly minimal. Glossy black cabinetry with chrome detailing, smooth induction surfaces, and appliances that vanish into the design when not in use. But beneath this minimalism lies a host of advanced features. A high-efficiency induction cooktop allows precise temperature control for gourmet-level cooking, while the built-in refrigeration unit blends seamlessly with the cabinetry to maintain the sleek lines of the space. A smart storage system ensures maximum utility without wasted volume, giving everything its place. There's even a compact convection oven integrated with modern cooking presets, designed to bring convenience into the realm of high-end travel. Lighting has been carefully positioned to illuminate workspaces without casting harsh shadows, making the kitchen feel both functional and luxurious. It is the kind of space where you could prepare a fine meal without ever feeling like you've left the world of elegance. The bathroom is another testament to Rolls-Royce's design philosophy. Compact, efficient, yet unapologetically luxurious. Step inside, and you are met with polished chrome fittings, sculpted black surfaces, and soft ambient light that transforms the room into a private spa. A compact but powerful rainfall shower delivers a spa-like experience, while the ventilation system keeps the environment fresh and comfortable. The vanity is minimalist. with integrated lighting around the mirror for a flawless presentation. Every control in the bathroom is intuitive, with water temperature and pressure finely adjustable to suit personal preferences. It's a small space that refuses to compromise, offering the comfort of a luxury hotel within the footprint of a motorhome. The cockpit of the GrandCruiser is where Rolls Royce engineering and driver-focused technology come together in perfect harmony. The driver's seat is designed for maximum support and visibility, wrapped in premium leather and adjustable in every dimension. The dashboard is a masterpiece of clean design with analog-inspired digital gauges delivering precise information without overwhelming the driver. The steering is finely tuned, offering responsive control despite the vehicle's massive scale. Integrated driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and collision avoidance systems, make navigating highways effortless and safe. The cockpit isn't just about utility, it's about empowering the driver with confidence, ensuring that even behind the wheel of this giant, the experience is smooth and refined. Performance is where the GrandCruiser truly surprises. Beneath its luxurious exterior lies an advanced powertrain engineered to deliver strength, smoothness, and efficiency. The motorhome is powered by a custom Rolls Royce V12 engine tuned for torque, giving it the ability to glide effortlessly on highways and tackle long-distance travel with ease. The transmission has been optimized for seamless gear shifts, ensuring there is no interruption in comfort even as the vehicle accelerates. Despite its size, the GrandCruiser offers a remarkably quiet ride, thanks to advanced sound insulation that isolates passengers from road noise. Fuel efficiency has been enhanced through lightweight construction materials and aerodynamic bodywork, making it more sustainable than any motorhome of its class. This is not just transportation, it is motion perfected. When it comes to pricing, the Rolls Royce GrandCruiser occupies its own universe. This motorhome is not designed for the average buyer. It is a statement of ultimate luxury, an exclusive creation for those who demand the absolute best in both design and performance. Estimates place its value well into the multi-million-dollar range, placing it among the most expensive motorhomes ever imagined. But with that price comes exclusivity. Owning the GrandCruiser is not just about having a vehicle. It is about owning a piece of engineering artistry, an icon of mobility that blends the worlds of automotive innovation and architectural design. The Rolls-Royce. If you enjoyed this detailed look into the Rolls Royce GrandCruiser, make sure to hit that like button. Leave a comment sharing your thoughts on this incredible creation, and subscribe to Luxury Wheels Review for more deep dives into the most exclusive vehicles in the world.